Hello guys, welcome back to Kamino Finance. Kamino Finance is probably my favorite website on Solana, if not at least in top 3, because this is the website I would give you to start your journey with Solana. Install some Phantom wallet, which I'm gonna show you here in a second, connect it, and that's it, you're good to go. There are a couple of things, less risky, more risky. I'll show you today the one I'm adding more money to, because Solana is hopefully bouncing now and going up. It was a bit quiet for the last couple of months. All the markets was going down, and maybe some people already think it's over, but it's far from over, and I hope that it's now going to go up. I can't guarantee that, but obviously the markets are unpredictable, but it seems like Solana has reached sort of a bottom, so let's jump right in and add some more. I will personally add my position to long and short, which is a bit trickier, a bit more riskier, because if you add to long position, it is still going to go down. The price of Solana, obviously, it's going to be not good for the profits, but I'll show you in a second. But I want to talk about this multiply, which I already have some money in this HSOL, which gives you around 10% per year APY, and I covered that in another video. I'll put it in the corner. Very good strategy to multiply your Solana. So what it does, it's basically they take your Solana, swap it to JITO-SOL, borrow, do a flash loan, borrow more SOL, and supply it to K-Land protocol. And this is the way just to like sort of borrow Solana, multiply it, pay it back, do that circle. And all you need to know, it's a very low risk approach with very nice profit APY, because obviously you can stake Solana, but it's much lower APY. And as you can see here, I deposited 0.11 and now it's 0.1167 after I think a couple of weeks. In terms of dollars, as you can see, it's $16 right now. It was $19, so this is because obviously Solana dropped. But what I absolutely love about this Kamino is got everything extremely clear, because sometimes you think you made some money and you don't see it, but if you look at exactly what did you deposit, what did you stake in the beginning, then obviously you can compare those values together and see where you're at right now. So my goal is obviously to keep growing Solana, hopefully until next year, and then if we are at the end of the bull run, let's say, definitely sell some or find some other ways. You can also try the liquidity vault. Obviously they have some risks as well, so this multiplies the least risky liquidity, let's say, in the middle, because you've got that impermanent loss. Depends which ones you choose. I covered them in other videos as well. And the most risky, let's say, is long short. There's also this borrow lend, which is similar to what I just said. You simply borrow, supply money for others to trade it, to borrow it, then you can borrow some. It's like a loop, but it's at least one coin only, which is a bit safer. So let's go to long and short. So what it means here, again, you can click on it and it will tell you everything you need to know. You select the leverage, they deposit that into K-Land, and then use again flash loan to borrow leverage token. Then they swap it into SOL, and then again borrow USDC to repay it. If you still not understand what it is, honestly, I'm also not savvy 100%. I took a while to understand the basics, but this is quite a safe way to multiply your Solana as well, because it will give you a chance to basically grow it within only Solana. So you're also betting on only one coin. So I'm gonna show you here exactly now, step by step. So I did that already before my other account. and I think I did less than 2x leverage, so I do recommend you do not more than 2, and you have to have some Solana obviously, and it won't let you do transaction if you have less than 0.15, so make sure you have at least 0.2 or 0.3 Solana, and then you choose the amount. And this is what is important here, these bits here. Leverage obviously very important, so you make sure that your liquidation price, this one here, is quite low. So Solana at the moment is about $140, and if it goes below 90, then you can get liquidated, which means you're gonna lose all the money that you put in here. So I don't expect Solana to go lower than 90. So for me, this is a good sort of risk to reward setup. Leverage 1.9. Hopefully it's going to be quite a decent return, and if Solana goes up, as you can see this small simulation here, I hope it will go roughly at least 50%, if not 100 from here. That's where I'm going to try to sell. Then obviously this will double, make us 100% profit. So from $73 should be around 140, and that's how it works. So let's go ahead and deposit. So we can open the long, and that's it. Deposit succeeded. That's it. There's nothing more to it. All you have to do is obviously come back from time to time, check what's going on. As you can see, liquidation price only if Solana goes below 90. You can click on portfolio, and obviously you are earning the points as well. So remember that we are earning our airdrop points. Very nice. Kamino has it all, and it's a great website to make it easy. Couple percent extra is a very good deal. All you have to remember basically is try to come back from time to time, try to see what's going on the market with the price. Like I said, I hope we are already at the bottom, so we're gonna go up, but let's see how it goes. You have everything here clear. In a worst case scenario, you can always, let's say, swap your money back to dollar. As you can see, if you're not sure what's gonna happen, you can choose USDC or USDT. That's how you would save if Solana starts dropping in the future and you want to get out. You swap it to dollars and wait, see what's gonna happen on the market. But for now, I really hope we are starting to gonna get nice increase in price. So let's see how it goes. Any questions, let me know, guys, and try Kamino Finance if you're new to this, because it's a really good website. So thank you for watching.